If you're getting a lot of those sulfur burps on a GLP-1 medication, here's why and what you can do about it. Remember that one of the ways GLP-1 medications work is it slows down gastric emptying, or it slows down the time it takes for food to get from your stomach into your small intestine. That means food stays in your stomach longer, and in your stomach it can ferment. In that fermentation process, hydrogen sulfide gas can be produced, and that's what smells like rotten eggs. Different foods will cause more of that to happen. Things like cruciferous vegetables, meat, and if you're lactose intolerant, even dairy can do it. So if you're in the minority of those suffering with this problem, it's not harmful, but it is kind of gross. So what you can do is switch out cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and Brussels sprouts for things like peas and carrots. And if something like that doesn't work, you can always slightly adjust your diet here and there to see if it actually helps.